Hi guys, I've been doing some Bobblehead projects, originally inspired by Chatty Batty. She suggested I should do a Bobblehead Grandad is an Old Man, so I did this one, the whole thing bobbles on those legs. Had a few comments or suggestions as to what else I could do with that, so I am going to try some other things with that. Had a comment from System Skynet, otherwise known as Frankie. He said he wanted a bobblehead. Well, I'd actually given my Grandad bobblehead away, so I did him a bespoke one. So that's a Bobblehead Frankie. Having done Bobblehead Frankie, I thought I really ought to do a Bobblehead Jag Betty, because Frankie and Jag do quite a few videos together. Jag does them on his channel called Jag Betty. Frankie does his on his channel System Skynet. So, same basic deal. I do these thin. Got a light up there? Yeah, so we can see through them. Do them double-sided, so it doesn't matter which side you look at, you still see them. I could get away with just a single one, but yeah, double-sided. The body is the same body and the feet are the same feet. Oh, and I am still having trouble with my printer. I only seem to be able to get the print to stick to the bed if I use a raft at the moment, which is what all this big waste of PLA is. Not quite sure what's happened, but it just seems to be a problem recently. So if I was doing it permanently, I'd glue them in place, but I've been using just blue tack to hold the legs on the feet. I will super glue those together and find a suitable spring for him to rock around on. I don't know if I've got any more suitable springs. I think the one I used on Frankie's was the best one I had, size-wise. Still, we'll sort something out, see if we can do a nodding or bobblehead Jag. And then I'll go on and try and sort out what we're going to do with this. So I'll stick him together, we'll see if he bobbles, and then I'll do a separate video on that. There we are, Jag and Frankie. Jag's got a slightly stiffer neck. I like them, they're fun. Well, I think I shall put them in some packaging and chuck them in the post. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.